Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk security. Hope you are doing great wherever you are. Today's topic is UPI claim reward scam. Let's have a look. Scammers create fake social media pages for a brand or a company and lure you through attractive offers or rewards. They also invest money to advertise their content. Example, you will find such pages in Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Yesterday, I came across the below advertisement, where as you can see the UPI claim is the page name and the advertisement is quoted as the sponsored advertisement, and it is claiming that you have won 1998 rupees, and to claim this reward you need to click the offer, that is a get offer. So when I went ahead and checked the page associated with that advertisement, it had only 5 to 6 likes and the page was created just 6 days back, and that is the URL of the page which I have given in the screen. When I check about their ads through their page transparency option, I got to know that they have been publicizing this ad since August 5. That is, this sponsored advertisement is running from the date of August 5. Once I clicked the get offer option, I was redirected to a page called claim your PhonePe reward.fun website. So on looking at the website, I understood it is a phishing website. Let's have a look at the website. As you can see, the URL is claimyourphonepereward.fun, and when you come down below, there is an option called click send and 1998 rupees in your bank. Basically, throughout the website they have mentioned click send to get your reward, and click send to get your reward on your account directly. So when I access the same website through mobile and when I click send, so it automatically opened my PhonePe application, and in my PhonePe application, if you notice, the name of the person, everything is like send money in your bank account, and if you see the UPI ID, it is also send.your.reward at my ICICI, and if you see the message, click and send money in your bank account. Basically, this is a very luring names which is designed by the scammer. So people who are not having proper awareness on this thing, what they may do, they may think that once they click send and enter their UPI pin, that they will receive money into their account. Basically, it is that the scammer's whole design here. If you do this, you will lose the money. So do not fall trap to this kind of scams. Even though the name looks like it is showing that claim your money, send your money, or it is very convincing, however the way it convinces you, always know that in order for you to receive money, you shouldn't enter your UPI pin, and you shouldn't click proceed to pay and enter your UPI pin. Whatever might be the scheme, it could be some shopping scam, or it could be some shopping website name there, or it could be like sending your money, claim your reward. It could the name which is getting displayed on the screen and on the message, it could be anything. But just keep in mind, to receive money you don't need to enter your UPI pin. So that is a very important part here. In this case, if someone fall trapped to this scam, and if they go out and enter their UPI pin and things like that, they will lose their money. In this case, they will lose 2000 rupees. So this website, that is this advertisement, has been running since August 5, and it is pretty new scam. So through the days it might even increase, and there are chances a lot of people might get scammed. So let's stop this even before it gets spread. So how to protect yourself against this scam? Always check the URL in the browser you are navigating to. Sometimes the website might even have a very convincing name. Example, flipkarts.com or flipkart.com, one in the instead of L there will be a 1. Amazon.in, instead of O it will be 0 there, or UPI claims.in. So there will be a lot of fake websites like this. Do not fall trap, and do not believe in this fake offers or rewards. No one gives out money that easily, that for free money. Do not click on the links from the sources you don't know. You don't need to click proceed to pay and enter your UPI pin to receive money. Do not download any form of attachment if mail is from unknown source. Do not fill your card details or any other personal details in the sites that you don't know. Do not believe in calls that demands you to visit some website or pay some money. Do not share your OTP if asked by any website or any person over call. Do not install applications from unknown sources. Do not blindly believe in WhatsApp forward messages. Do not panic if you happen to face these kind of situations. So in case if you fall prey for these kind of scams, things that you can do. Raise a fraud ticket immediately, reach out to support customer care, reach out to that particular bank or wallet company in Twitter, file a complaint in cybercrime portal, file a local police complaint, and if you know the UPI ID of the scammer, reach out to the bank which is associated with scammer's UPI ID and file a complaint. For example, in this particular case, in this particular example which we saw, if you notice that scammer's UPI ID, it will be like send.your.money or something like that at okay my ICICI or okay ICICI. So which means this UPI ID is somewhere related to ICICI bank. So better call ICICI customer care and inform that there is one scammer who is looting money from the people from this particular ID. At least we can take the effort to kind of block the ID, and there are chances that they might even revert the money back. Okay, please do that. Do share this video with everyone. Let's make everyone aware about these issues. If you have come across any scam incidents, do share them in the comments below, or you can also send them to my mail ID so that we can introspect more on that and raise more awareness to people. Also, if you have any doubts or questions on the topic discussed today, please leave them in the comments below. I will try to address as many as possible. And if any government authorities need help with any cybercrime incidents, feel free to reach me. Beware, stay safe.